I'm Ron Busby. I am Sales Manager of Construction and Special Services at ARC Aerial. At ARC Aerial, we're working with a lot of construction companies and we're providing them progress oversight. And so we're able to go out to a site and collect imagery and videos, edit those as the customer sees fit, put those together in a package and distribute those to multiple teams, right? So everyone gets their hands on these. Operations can use these, superintendents and project managers can look at these and see how materials and phases are occurring throughout a construction project. So there's a lot of use for these videos and imagery. When we're providing this service, we're making sure all of our photos are very crisp, clear, quality, digestible photos. Overall, I think it's a wonderful service. I think every job site in the country should have, some kind of project oversight like this on it. It helps teams grow and change with the job site as it should. And at ARC Aerial, we're just excited to be a vehicle for that growth.